What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and we about to do a thick cut pork chop, y'all, and it's gonna be so good. Gotta try it. We gonna sous vide it down and get that good seasoning on, y'all. But anyway, let's get it. So let's set our sous vide machine up at 140 for 2 hours, and then we gonna rain on them, hit them with that salt, that cayenne, y'all, garlic powder and onion powder, and a little bit of rosemary. Now, when you set up your sous vide bag, you always want to fold that bad boy over. That way you don't get none of that seasoning on your bag when you attempt to seal. Just gives you a better seal, y'all. But anyway, let's get in some pork fat, because we going to sous vide this in its own fat. Just going to make it better, y'all. Just going to make it better. And when you vac it down, make sure you separate the two. Or you can do it in individual bags. But I like to use one bag. Sometimes I use two. But best thing is just to make sure that they're separated. As long as they're separated like this, you're good to go. So let's go ahead and get into our machine. And I'll see that pork chop in 2 hours. But hold up, y'all. It's floating a little bit. So let's put a plate on top. Make sure it's all the way under that water. And look what we got in 2 hours. Now after we get them on our rack, we're going to go ahead and pat them dry. That way we get a better crust without having to evaporate that water. And then we're going to hit them with that torch. Now you can finish this any way that you want to. You don't have to torch it. You can throw it in a pan right quick at real high heat just to give you a crust, or you can do it this way and hit it with that torch. And oh my goodness, look at that pork, y'all. Don't it look so tasty? You ain't gotta tell me, cause I tasted it. And it's so good. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.